Good afternoon.
It is so cold today.
So cold. It's only 60, but this is like Florida cold here.
Oh my gosh, well there's no sun at all.
But where are we?
We are at the Florida RV Show in Tampa.
Everybody calls it the Tampa RV Show. Technically, it's the Florida RV Supershow.
Yes.
I think it's one of the largest in the country.
Sometimes they claim to be the largest.
Yeah, but it's all weird marketing stuff. Anyway, so we are here. It is Wednesday. It's the first public day for this RV show.
Yep.
And we are just here for the afternoon, just for a couple hours. And primarily so we can go meet Less Drunk More Journey.
Yay!
And Nate and Marissa were one of our two really big inspirations to kind of set off on full-time RV life.
Absolutely.
So we've been looking forward to meeting them for a long time. Brooke has really been looking forward to meeting Hensley.
Yes.
So we're just gonna meet them and get a lay of the land of the show. And then we're actually gonna come back on Saturday and we're going to drop the littles off at a daycare. So we can come just Aaron and me and Tara, and then we can like really take our time, explore, check out RVs, you know, look at the show floor, not have a stroller, not have a carrier with a child in it.
Yes.
So we're looking forward to that.
It's gonna be fun.
So for today, let's go meet Nate and Marissa and Hensley.
Yay!
And we will, actually there's gonna be other people there too.
Yeah.
Other people that we know from online. So let's go do that, and hopefully it'll warm up a little bit. I think if the sun came out, it would be lovely, but man, it's cold right now. Whew, okay, we are in the gate. We bought tickets ahead of time, so they just scanned us in, which is nice. There's a lot of people here. I thought it would be quieter because it's Wednesday. I figured more people would be at work.
First day though.
It is the first day.
RVers don't.
Saturday is going to be a lot busier. But we just came through the side building here, where they have all the big luxury RVs. You have to like take your shoes off to go inside them. It's kind of silly.
And they kind of frown when you roll up with your 3 kids.
Yeah, they definitely don't want kids in those. But these things are like $500,000.
Yeah.
So it's kind of understandable.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go up the main concourse here. They have these weird performers that walk around. There's one coming here. Check this out.
Oh my goodness.
What's up here?
A robot.
A robot? What in the world? Okay. Promotional robots. Robot.
I got a good one.
Yeah, I want to see.
Okay.
Hey, young ladies, I want to make sure this is a good shot. Come and tell me.
Are we early?
No, it's 2.
Okay. I'm gonna be those people
Those people.
that are so eager and they're just like, I want to go, I want to get there.
It's 2:01.
201's go.
So we found them, but there's a big crowd.
It's a huge crowd. Oh my goodness. So the girls were shy, but Ben just went right over. Just being right in the middle.
Thank you.
It's right there. Ben, are you the center of the mess over here? No.
Did you get to play with Hensley? She was wanting some kids. Did y'all get to play with her? Yeah? She didn't. You just tell her. What is she doing? Her own friends? Did she make friends? Where is she?
They're down by the water.
Okay. I had somebody that was supposed to be watching her.
There are a couple of my husband's down there, so yeah. Well, we've been watching you for a long time.
Thank you.
And loving you so much.
You go tell her she needs to be nice. Thank y'all for coming.
Hensley is my birthday buddy. We have the same birthday.
April 10th.
April 10th.
Awesome.
It's the best day.
Good day.
It is.
Good day.
It is, and this one will be another Aries baby if you wait long enough.
We'll see. Yeah, it's kind of on that border.
Yep.
Because the 24th, it could. I went 2 weeks early with her, so I don't know.
Early, Pisces.
Pisces, they're more laid back, right?
I'm anything but.
No.
And then this is my husband Brian, and my other redhead.
Nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you.
He was playing with Hensley. He got just fine with Hensley. But yeah.
Yeah, I'm
You
so
want to go
glad
back?
y'all are here.
Go.
We have my sister flying in.
Oh, nice.
And my friends that have 2 kids, and they're all staying Airstream. So
Awesome. That'll be fun.
it's gonna be interesting.
Yes,
We're
definitely.
excited.
Well, good deal.
Awesome.
You guys have a good day.
You too.
We're at Grand Design. And we were told they were bringing one of everything, so they might have the one that I really, really like, other than ours.
Which one is that?
The 3740 Solitude bunkhouse. So,
Well, we're walking by a bunch of them now.
yep, we'll go check it out and see if they have it, because I've only ever seen it in online or in the little like catalog.
That's what toy haulers are really for, right?
I know it's not.
Whoa.
Hold on, I'm gonna teleport. Energy!
This is weird.
It's our bedroom,
Yeah,
but backwards,
backwards.
Daddy,
with a door.
And no double window.
Oh, that's weird.
Go this way. I think we can have This is the mid bunk without the lock. Because this isn't a full profile.
Oh, yeah, that's mid. Yeah.
This is an ultralight video.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah. A lot of people.
A lot of people.
They draw a crowd.
We draw a very, very big crowd.
We got to meet lots of other people while we
We
were
did.
waiting.
People that recognized us.
Yeah, it's cool.
That was kind of neat.
Yeah.
We were able to go back after we went and looked at a couple of RVs, and there were a little bit of a less crowd.
Yeah.
And so Brooke had enough courage to go up and say hi to Hensley, and they played for about half an hour,
Yep.
not longer.
Yeah, there's a nice little deck area where they could just run around.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Ben got in on it, and Tara was swinging little kids around and stuff, so I think they had a good time. We were able to talk with Planning Our Sunday,
Yep.
and we were able to meet Nate too. We didn't see him before from Let's Jump More Journey. So it was kind of cool.
Yeah, so now we're gonna find our way out of here.
Yes.
This place is huge. Good lord. And I guess we're gonna head home.
I think so.
Yep.
Is there anything to do around here?
It's Tampa. There's lots to do. But no.
All right. So we're gonna head home. We'll be back on Saturday.
Yeah.
It was really cool to get to meet people that we watch all the time on TV or YouTube. And it was kind of neat to see how one of those meetups works when you're really popular and how they just kind of like stand in one place and have people come to them. I overheard Marissa saying something about they're both pretty like introverted, and so it just works out nicely because they don't have to like go and initiate conversations with people. People just come and talk to them. So it was kind of neat. I'm looking forward to going back on Saturday and seeing some more of the different RVs. And we're not really looking for a new RV, but it's always fun to kind of see what the latest and greatest things are, or how they figured out how to do storage, or if they have a new layout for a bunkhouse. A lot of people are really excited about the mid bunks, and there's quite a few of the RV lines that are kind of bringing those in. I think we're going to do a couple of tours of some of the newer styles, especially of bunkhouses, because that's what we're interested in. We always get really excited when we can look at rear living or front living, but we know that those would never work for our family because there's just not enough beds in those. I think when we go back on Saturday, we're going to record some tours of those, because we'll just have Tara with us. The littles are going to go to one of the like hourly daycare places in Tampa, and they'll have more fun there than they will following us around in the RVs. But that'll do it for us today, I think. We will see you guys next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you again for helping us get over 10,000 subscribers. We really appreciate it. Talk to you later. Bye.